Today we'd like to show you what comes with the Trusted Water SnapShot Water Inspection Kit. Every kit will come with a sample bottle for collecting the water sample. You will have anywhere from 2 to 3 colorimeters that look like eggs. The standard kit comes with a copper colorimeter and a free chlorine colorimeter. But you may have chosen to purchase a color of water colorimeter either as an addition to the kit or to replace the free chlorine colorimeter. Each of the colorimeters comes with a set of instructions, a quick start guide, and a user manual, and these small glass vials or cuvettes that are used for the water sample and to add reagents. Each of the colorimeters will come with a package of reagents, 25 per pack. These individual packets will be used to add to the cuvettes to cause the color change. In the case of the color of water colorimeter, there are no reagents, but it will come with a syringe and these small disc filters for filtering the sample. In addition, you will have a total dissolved solids probe or meter and 3 different vials of test strips, one for nitrate and nitrite, one for alkalinity, pH, and copper, and the last vial is for total hardness. The kits come with enough reagents and test strips to run 25 tests. In addition, you will have a small microcloth that is used to clean the cuvettes to remove fingerprints before putting them into the colorimeters. You'll have a holder for the cuvettes to keep them from tipping over. And you'll have an accessory kit that includes a small scissors for cutting open the reagent packets, some small tissues or Kim wipes for also wiping off the cuvettes and drying the cuvettes out after you wash them. And you'll have these transfer pipettes that allow you to take sample from the bottle, put it into the cuvettes before putting them into the colorimeter. So please check out our other videos that show you exactly how to use each of the components of the Trusted Water SnapShot Kit.